In today's video, we are going to show you how to quickly find your class code on Edpuzzle so you can invite students to join your class. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account, and from the dashboard, scroll down until you find the My Classes, which is going to be found in the left side area. I want you to click on it. Now open your class, and as you can see on the top right corner, I want you to click the Invite Students, because once the class opens, right here you would see that you have the class code, which is going to be these letters and characters. Just click the copy class code. All right? Now, if you wanted to change the class code, for example, this is going to be for another batch of students, all I have to do is go to the class title. There is a drop-down menu here, and I want you to click the Edit Class. Right now, we are using this class code, and if you want to generate a new code, it's super simple. Click that button, and there you have it. We have now a class code, and if you click the Cancel for now, as you may notice that the class code has been changed. All right, and basically that's how you find your class code on Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.